Sup? Welcome to the fifth and final installment in my cleaning PlayStation series, where I'll be cleaning the PlayStation 5. Maybe I'll decide to do the PSP and Vita later. I don't know. First off, you're going to want to grab the hand towel and start wiping it around the side plates, the middle area with the piano black, including the front, the back, and the bottom. That's right, no feather duster. Unfortunately, he will not be useful in cleaning the PS5. I know, we're all going to mourn his loss. Next up, compressed air time. Spray around the front ports and the back. Just like the PS3, there's a trick we can use to help us clean this console, and once you've finished discharging your payload, I'll show you what it is. Trick I showed in the PS3 video is fairly unknown, but this one isn't. You can take the side panels off. There's a certain process to both of them that you should definitely follow. For the side panel with the PlayStation logo, pull away and down from the console at the PlayStation logo to take it off. Remember, don't just pull away from the console as that'll break it. You need to pull away and down. Once you're done with this, you can spray the fan and side vents more effectively with your can of compressed air. I would also recommend using your hand towel to wipe away any dust there might be on the side plate and the console itself. Got that? Good. Moving on to the Sankit plate, you're going to want to pull away and down, just like the first plate. The corner you should pull on is parallel to the PlayStation logo on the other side. Just like the first side of the console, spray the fan and side vents with compressed air and wipe away dust with your hand towel. Putting the plates back on, you're just going to want to reverse the process you did taking them off. Push up and into the console, and once you hear a nice click, they're back into place. And now you've got a PS5 slicker than a bottle of cold water. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning PlayStation series. That's really about it. See ya.